Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hi all. Today we'll be discussing on the sixth part of building construction. As you watched all the 5 parts, that is scenes from line out to the plastering and waterproofing work. Okay, if you still were not watched, it will be, the links are there in the description box. Just go through that. Okay, this will be the sixth part. Once the waterproofing is get completed, plastering is get completed, we'll go for the false ceiling work. Here you can see the false ceiling will be done in this way. The framing is done in, especially in living room, bedrooms. Okay, I think you are seeing now. Okay, this is the framing of false ceiling or POP work. Okay, here the wiring is also got completed. Here you can see the concealed wiring. Once if it is done, we'll go for the placing of POP or gypsum sheets or false ceiling sheets. Okay, in this way we'll be doing the false ceiling work. Okay, these are all the channels used for false ceiling. Here you can see the wiring is also got completed. The main thing here in the false ceiling or gypsum work is the spacing of the channels. Okay, that should not be more than 2 feet. Okay, whatever the sheets where you place, okay, behind that sheet, the spacing of the channel should not be more than 2 feet. Here you can see the spacing is very less. Okay, all the wiring is completed. Wiring is another difficult task. That is all the whole building is of concealed wiring. Here you can see the concealed wiring. This is false ceiling work of dining room. Concealed wiring is also done. Okay, but the wire should be, whenever you run the wires through the channel, the wire should be in the pipes. I think you are now seeing the pipes are also provided to avoid the failure of connection or wire. There may be chances of failure or short circuit. Okay, you need to provide the pipes also. Here those wires are brought up to the board, electric board. Once the wiring work is completed, we will go for the sheets of false ceiling. Here it is a bedroom. The bedroom false ceiling is got completed. The main thing you need to take care of wire is you must have the proper wiring wherever you want the light connections or wherever you want wiring. Okay, that should be done properly. Okay, once the sheet work is got completed, you will not be able to again lay the wires. Okay, that will be another difficult task. Whatever you do, okay, you need to do before the fixing of sheets. Now the electricians are doing again remaining wiring work. Okay, junctions, they are bringing the wire from center of the junction to the wall junctions. This is another difficult task. Okay, many number of wires will be there. There should not be any failure of connection. You must do a proper work. Any small mistake is also not accepted here. Here once the wiring work is got completed, we'll go for the placing of sheets. Okay, all the room wirings will be get completed. Later the main line, that is wiring of main line will be done, that is from board to the each and every individual rooms. Okay, that will be done separately. Okay, as in the rooms we'll be using 1 square mm wire, whereas from main board to the rooms we'll be taking 1.5 and 2.5 square mm wires. Okay, mainly if you are providing AC points, in that case we'll be using the 4 square mm wires, because the load will be quite high. Okay, higher dia of wire to be taken or placed here. Whatever wiring will do, okay, that finally that will be brought to the main board as well as meter board. Okay, from one room to main board we'll be taking around 1.5 to 2.5 square mm wire based on the load requirements, electric load requirements. If more number of points are there in the room, okay, we'll be going for a maximum of 2.5 square mm. If the room size is quite high, more number of points, even you can go for higher dia also, that is higher area, that is higher square mm also, that is mainly of 4 mm, 6 mm, it depends. Mainly for residential buildings, 1 and 1.5, 2.5 is sufficient. Okay, if you want to provide the AC points which is having higher load, in that case we'll be going for the 4 square mm wires. Okay, mainly the thing is that care to be taken while doing the wiring. Okay, here we are using the V-guard wires, V-guard cables. Okay, before doing the wiring we will be having the electrical drawing also. Okay, next time in next video I'll be discussing on that separately. Here once the wiring work is got completed, we'll be going for the placing of sheets also, as I said. It's all about wiring work. It takes at least of 1 or 2 days. Once if it is all completed, the gypsum sheet will be placed. Here you can see the gypsum sheets fixing by the worker. Okay, whatever the frame we have made, okay, over that we'll be placing the gypsum sheets and will be packing or filling the gaps in between the gypsum sheets. Here you can see the completed false ceiling work or POP work. These are all the completed works. Once if it is completed, we'll go for the wall care or wall putty, you can say. Okay, once all the POP or false ceiling work will get completed, okay, we'll be going for the wall putty to get the proper finish and the protection of walls. Okay, here we are using the Asian wall care putty. Okay, it will be done in this manner. Once if wall care is completed, we'll be going for the rubbing or finishing the surface using the equipments or by the sandpapers. Once if that work is got completed, we'll be going for the priming work or primer will be applied. As I said, once the wall care work is got completed, we'll be go for finishing of wall, either using the finishing equipment or using the sandpaper. Okay, here they are doing that one. Once if it is completed, we'll be going for the primer work. Okay, finishing will be done properly. Okay, then only we can apply the primer. Once the primer is got completed, next step will be the painting of 2 coats. Okay, here you can see the finishing is done by the equipment. Okay, here the finishing is got completed. We'll be going for the painting using the rollers. Here this is the exterior painting. We have an example of painting. Okay, this is exterior. painting is applied using the roller. The same will be done in interior also. There are different types of rollers will be there for exterior and interior. We'll use those rollers. Here we are applying, or he's applying paint on exterior walls. Mainly it is of the compound wall. Okay, once if all the painting work is got completed, we'll be going for finishing of doors and polishing of doors using the PU polish. Generally we are using the Asian PU polish for finishing of doors. Here you can see the finishing is made by, or polishing of door is made by the polish equipments. The spray is used. The spray equipment is used for finishing of doors. Here you can see the finished door, already completed door. Once if all the work is got completed, we'll be having the furnitures also. If you want, you can have the furniture. It's all about the final or completed polished door. Here once all the work is got completed, you may go for the furniture or module, mainly the modular kitchen you can see. Okay, the wardrobes in the kitchen. Okay, wardrobes in the bedroom. Okay, anything you can go. Okay, this will be the, I think this will be the last part of building construction. I think if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you.